Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome all the participants to this corporate briefing session of 2024. Inshallah, we will discuss initially about what has happened in this year and what has happened in the recent past, and then we will open the floor for group discussion. So this is the group structure of Sana Industries. We have three verticals, which is textile, under which Sana Industries. We have parent. This is a parent and listed company, and Sana Industries own Sana Distributor as a 100% shareholder, and Sana Logistic as a 70% shareholder. We have the same directors on the board. The last election was held in 2022. And we have two independent directors, out of which one is female director. And we have two non-executive directors as well on the board.
Total three non-executive, including you, sir.
Including you.
The chairman is also non-executive.
Correct. So this is the journey so far. We started in 1988 with around 12,000 spindles, and we got registered in the next year as a public listed company. In the next few years, we upgraded ourselves and modernized ourselves by introducing and upgrading our existing machinery. The last project, the last major expansion which took place was completed in 2024. That took us to almost 40,000 spindles. The other company, Sana Logistic, it was initially as the business segment of Sana Industries, which got a separate identity in 2017 as a 70% subsidiary of Sana Industries. Then we have Sana Distribution, which started in 2021. We added some big names like Shell, Fuji Foods, EBM, Mayfair, and Anglo. Anglo being the recent one in this year. So, gentlemen, if you would like to add something to it, which I missed.
Our history के बारे में आप सबसे बेहतर इरफान साहब CEO. You have been part all along.
Well, as far as अगर हम इस discussion करें ना combinedly तो हमें सामने figures भी हैं. इसमें कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है कि ये सारी चीजें very clearly हैं. अगर हैं clearly stated हैं. इसमें मेरा नहीं ख्याल है कि कुछ ऐड करने की.
So ऐसे key milestone जो हमने miss कर दिया उसमें से history में से बताते हुए company की.
Yes, milestone which was achieved in textile is the new technology of agent spin, which we
Agent spin.
मगर वो तो 2023 की expansion में आ गई ना.
We can move on, Aman sir.
Right. So this will be the flow briefing. Initially, we will discuss progress and challenge in the recent past, because I would prefer to discuss a couple of years, because 12 months is just a cutoff date, right? We cannot understand the full story which has been happening since last few years. So we will see the progress that we have made in the past few years and the challenges we are facing.
Sorry, Masa.
Yes.
इधर मैं आपको बीच में इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ, डिसएग्री कर रहा हूँ आपसे कि हमें सिर्फ इसी साल की बात करनी चाहिए. उसकी वजह ये है कि करंट ईयर की जो चैलेंजेस हैं वो पिछले सालों से बिल्कुल रिलेट नहीं करते.
Yeah, because these are compounding things.
I know that. I know that. चलिए आप बात कीजिए.
So these are the progresses. I have separated the causes with the impact. So these are the developing things that took place in the last 2-3 years. We introduced some state-of-the-art machines, state-of-the-art technologies. We added our capacity by 25%, which results in helping us penetrating the market, especially in the upcountry side. And we can see the graph, 2021 being 2.2 billion somewhat, which increased to double of the amount in just 3 years' time. So this is the progress that we have made. Now, these are the challenges that we have been facing. The topmost is energy prices. Currently, it's like 60 to 70% of the cost of our sales. It has increased like crazily 2.5% in the last 18 months. And in the first quarter, it has increased by 9% additionally. The other thing which is hurting our business is imported yarn at the cheapest price. So we can see the statistic. Last year, it was 17 million kilograms of imported yarn. This year, it has increased to 34, which is double the size of the import. And it is sold at a very cheaper prices. The other thing that we are facing is finance costs. It has been all-time high. And we have, like at this point of time, we are shrinking options in our hand. The other thing, expansion which we completed in 2023, the project cost increased by 25% because of rupees devaluation. So we can see the graph. We had 0.5 billion of equity, net equity in 2021, and now we are back to square one in terms of net equity. We are just 0.6. So if I summarize these two things, we can see a chart form. We have growth, and these are the numbers that can be verified. And we have net equity due to the challenges. And when we validated our assumption, we found that 16 out of 30 companies reported textile operational loss.
Operational loss से क्या मतलब है मान साहब?
Operational. It was a pure business, main business loss, right? Thereafter, some of the companies, they overcome that loss with their other income. So, guys, if you have any point to add.
I think अगर हम corporate briefing section के अंदर इसी बात को पिन पॉइंट रखें कि हमें ऑपरेशनल अकाउंट को ही कंसिडर करना चाहिए
Yes.
बजाय इसके कि जो बात आपने कही other income.
So this is just a validation check in case if someone wants to verify.
Fine.
And due to these things, we were unable to distribute any dividend in form of cash or bonuses. The next said, I mean, these are the priority things which is I mean, we are thinking about. First is investment in renewable energy sources because of the increasing energy cost. And the other thing is because the cost of borrowing is reducing, we think there is an opportunity to make more credit sales. And then there's a product differentiation. And the last is access to liquidity.
प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन क्या मुराद है?
प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन से ये मुराद है कि हमारी 4 प्रायोरिटीज अगर हम लिस्ट करें आफ्टर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के रादर देन क्योंकि बोरोइंग की कॉस्ट जब नीचे चली जाएगी और हमारे पास थोड़ी सी लिक्विडिटी पोजीशन बेहतर हो जाएगी तो अब नंबर ऑफ एसक्यूज हम अपनी आइटम्स में बढ़ा सकते हैं कि आज अगर हम 6 किस्म के यार्न्स बना रहे हैं तो 6 की जगह हम 10 किस्म के यार्न्स मार्केट में ऑफर करें जिसकी बेटर प्राइसिंग हो उसके लिए जाहिर है कि मल्टीपल टाइप्स के रॉ मटेरियल हमें हायर करने पड़ते हैं या स्टॉक में रखने पड़ते हैं तो थोड़ी सी इन्वेंट्री कॉस्ट तो बढ़ जाती है बट आज इन्वेंट्री कॉस्ट बढ़ाना थोड़ा सा मेक सेंस करता है जब कॉस्ट ऑफ बोरोइंग या काइबोर रेट्स कम हो रहे हैं और मजीद भी कम होने की उम्मीद है
बॉटम लाइन को इंप्रूव करने
के लिए दैट इज व्हाट वी मीन बाय प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन
Right. About the future outlook, we see some sort of stability, possible stability in terms of currency, in terms of inflation and policy rates. And we have also, I mean, there's a possibility government is trying to rationalize some energy prices. If that happens, it will be cool for us. And then the import policies should go in industry's favor to gain the local market because now it has been, captured by the imported yarn.
मेरा एक कमेंट है मतलब इस स्लाइड पे कि पहली वाली चीज तो किसी हद तक अचीव होगी जो पहला पॉइंट है करेंसी इन्फ्लेशन और पॉलिसी रेट्स का जो दूसरी दो चीजें हैं उसकी अगर आप किसी हद तक अंडरटेकिंग साइन कर दें क्योंकि आजकल सीएफओस अंडरटेकिंग बहुत साइन कर रहे हैं
नहीं यार
तो अगर आप अंडरटेकिंग इन दो पॉइंट्स की साइन कर दें
जी अंडरटेकिंग का मतलब इस वक्त जो है वो 1 महीने के लिए और वेवर मिल गया है सो आई वुड से एटलीस्ट 1 महीने के लिए और करते हैं राइट so in terms of overall how our company looks like we have a strong brand strong market presence we have a state of the art production plant and we have a product range these are the weaknesses we are labor intensive operation a day of production of make us in a very pathetic position and the reliance on dollar conversion for purchases this has been relied for a long time and then we have opportunities like untapped market introduction of new products and then we see the only threat which is inconsistency in the government approach towards controlling cost of business so this is sort of all about this session and I will open the floor for question and answer
कोई है कि
अकील साहब का माइक अकील साहब कैन यू हियर अस मीन वो खुद ही माइक अनम्यूट करेंगे यू कांट अनम्यूट
मेरे ख्याल में उन्होंने इसका अटेंड
If anyone of the participants in this room or on Zoom has any questions, most welcome, ji. Okay, Sajjad, I think this is enough for today. You can end the meeting now.